I used to be addicted to video games like Stardew Valley and Harvest Moon, so I bought a house and decided to build it in real life. Let me show you. These are my front yard raised beds. I've got corn, tomatoes, absolutely massive squash, and 12-foot tall sunflowers. I planted this arch out with climbing roses. This is my citrus and stone fruit orchard with apples, peaches, and pomegranates. I have 6 dragon fruit plants. Some are making fruit, some just finished flowering, and that's just the front yard. I have this 3,000-gallon backyard pond with some koi boys. This thing collects all my rainwater. Here's my outdoor shower and produce washing station. This is where I start the hundreds of seeds each season. I put all my garden supplies in this shed. Here's the in-ground backyard garden. There's my raspberry and blackberry patch. And finally, the chicken coop. I raised these 6 hens from little babies and they're gonna produce eggs pretty soon. So if you wanna learn to grow your own food, shoot us a follow. We are here to help.